So hi guys, today I'll show you my real language and where I live. So this time I sing English, but sasabihin ko na ang totoo kong language. So eto na nga. I have here. Okay, nag-English lang ako. I have here this one. I don't remember. I don't remember. I just know.
By the way, that's a drawer,
This is
okay?
a cabinet. So let's go inside. First box.
Meron ako ditong manika, pero wala siyang damit. At meron tayo ditong bracelet na galing sa kaklase. At meron tayong aso. Pangalan niyan ay Tracy. Meron tayo ditong Hello Kitty. Meron tayo ditong medal. Medal siya, totoo siya. Hindi siya fake, hindi siya paper. Hindi siya pin lang. Is medal. Tapos meron rin tayo dito, hair tie, aso na balloon, tapos minifigure na dog na meron bubble gum.
We might have it.
Onto the next stage. Tapos meron dito tayong confetti, and
I like that, but
I think meron tayo ditong random space na walang mga laruan, kaya comment kayo para meron ako malagay dyan.
What will I put in here?
So, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.